Hi everyone, I am Pixel Pia and you are welcome to A Human Eye on AI. Let's be honest, traditionally video and audio editing can be a real headache. It's like trying to untangle the Christmas lights after your cats got a hold of them. But what if I told you there is a way to make the editing process as easy as a walk in the park? That's where Descript comes in. It's your new secret weapon for creating awesome content, powered by some pretty amazing AI, including its latest contribution called Underlord, your very own AI assistant. So let's start with you podcasters. Get ready to edit your audio like you're editing a text document. Zap all those and just with one click. And you can even turn your episodes into stunning audiograms for social media just with a couple of clicks. This is like having an audio engineer and a social media manager all rolled into one super smart AI. And video creators, Descript and Underlord has something for you too. What do you say about cut and trim videos effortlessly? Add caption and subtitles with AI magic, and even fix your voiceover flubbers without having to re record. This is like having a whole editing team at your fingertips, minus endless email threads and coffee runs. And for you social media wizards, Descript and Underlord are your secret sauce for viral content. Resize videos, add trending sounds, create eye-catching clips in a snap. Underlord even helps you find the perfect music and sound effects for your clips. But wait, there is more. For the AI enthusiasts out there, Descript is a playground for exploring the latest tech. Experiment with voice cloning, automatic transcripts, and other mind-blowing AI features. You can even create images right in Descript. So who knows, maybe you be the next tech innovator. That is with Underlord as your trusty sidekick. Descript is just another editing tool. It's a game changer, powered by cutting-edge features like text-based editing, AI-powered transcriptions, voice cloning, studio quality sound enhancement, and even collaboration tools. So are you ready to experience the future of editing? Because Descript is a whole new way of creating. And I have barely scratched the surface here today. So stay tuned for the rest of this series, where we will dive deeper into all the juicy details. I will show you how to turn your ideas into a full-fledged podcast or video project, even if you've never done it before, with tips and tricks for video editing, social media hacks, and much, much more. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on this series. Trust me, your creative journey is about to get a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you here in my next video. Until then, remember, stay curious, stay informed, and be a part of the change. Bye.